Hello students, in the last video of refrigeration and air conditioning, we discussed about the psychometric term. Today, we discuss about the development of the psychometric chart. So, कैसे डेवलप हुआ था हमारा साइकोमेट्रिक चार्ट जिससे हम अपनी साइकोमेट्रिक प्रॉपर्टीज की स्टडी कर सकते हैं. In starting, the psychometric chart is made between the saturation pressure and temperature. So here temperature, saturation temperature in degree centigrade, and this is pressure. This is the saturation curve. So as we know that as the pressure increases, temperature increases. So in starting it is between the pressure and temperature. But after some days it is found that the specific humidity is the ratio of mass of water vapor per kg of dry air, and on expansion we find out that 0.622 pV upon P minus P. This formula is developed between the specific humidity and partial pressure of water. So specific humidity is directly proportional to the partial vapor pressure. Then it is developed that in the psychometric chart here is specific humidity in place of pressure. So this is the specific humidity on the y-axis in place of pressure, kg per kg of dry air. So nowadays the chart is this, like on the y-axis there is specific humidity and on the x-axis there is saturation temperature, means dry bulb temperature in degree centigrade. So this is the our chart. There is the here on the saturation curve we know that relative humidity is 100%. On the saturation curve relative humidity is 100%, and dPt, dVt and WBT all are equal on the saturation curve. So one by one we discuss the properties, how they are can be seen on the psychometric chart. So firstly, case 1, we see the dVt on psychometric chart. How we can draw the dVt on the psychometric chart? This is our psychometric chart. Here, this is the specific humidity in kg per kg of dry air, and on x-axis there is 0, 0.001, 0.002, and so on, 0.035. And here temperature minus 5 degree centigrade, 5, 15 degree centigrade, 30 degree centigrade. Here is dBT in degree centigrade temperature. On x-axis here is temperature, is dVT, and y-axis this is a specific humidity. So dVT is the line, is the vertical line. So dVt on the psychometric chart seen like that, means this is vertical lines. Increasing order of dVt is in the positive x direction. dVt is increased in the positive x direction, and these lines are uniformly spaced. So next we discuss about the specific humidity. Specific humidity. So firstly draw the simple psychometric chart. These are the constant specific humidity lines. 0, 0.001, 0.002, 0.004, and so on. This is omega and this is dVt. So constant specific humidity lines on the psychometric chart are the horizontal lines, and these are increasing in the positive y direction. Increasing in the positive y direction increases the specific humidity in the positive y direction, like 0.001, 2, 4, and so on. And these lines moves toward the saturation curve. See the arrow? These lines are moves towards the saturation curve. These are also the uniformly spaced lines. Specific humidity lines are the constant specific humidity lines, also the uniformly spaced, increasing in the positive y direction. Next term is DPT lines, dew point lines. These lines are DPT lines moves away from the saturation curve. DPT lines are moves away from the saturation curve. See the arrow? These are the moves away from the saturation curve. And if we see north, east, west, south, these are the directions, and this is northeast and this is northwest. So in this direction means northeast direction, the DPT is increases, means constant DPT lines are increases in the northeast direction, this direction. Northeast direction, the DPT lines are increases. Next property is relative humidity curve or line. Basically, relative humidity, constant relative humidity, there are constant humidity curve, not line. So we can see in the diagram. This is our saturation curve. Here relative humidity is 100%, and here is dBT, and this is our specific. So these curves are the constant relativity curve, relative humidity curve. Like this is 50%, this is 80%, and this is 90%, and this is 100%. So we can see that constant relative humidity curves lines are the parallel to the saturation curve, and the increasing in the northwest direction. This direction is northwest direction, so these are increasing in the northwest direction, and these are also the uniformly spaced lines. Next case is H, WVT and V lines. H is enthalpy, WVT is wet bulb temperature, and V is a specific volume. So firstly draw the chart. dVT in degree centigrade, the specific humidity kg per kg of dry air, and this is relative saturation. These lines are specific volume lines. H or WVT lines. How we can identify on the psychometric chart that these are the enthalpy or WVT lines or V lines? Firstly, we discuss H and WVT lines are the same degree of inclination. Same degree of inclination. Same degree of inclination are constant enthalpy lines and constant WVT lines, wet bulb temperature. Then how we can find out these lines are constant enthalpy or constant WVT line? Firstly, by seeing the unit we can find out, and other thing is the constant enthalpy lines are the uniformly spaced, while WVT lines are not non-uniformly spaced. And specific volume lines are the high degree of inclination, high degree of inclination than the H and WVT. So this is high degree inclination, and we can see that the unit of constant volume, specific volume, is meter. So by seeing all the properties, how we can draw on the psychometric chart, we can read and explain any psychometric chart, study the properties of any psychometry. So these are all the psychometric properties we can read out from the psychometric chart. So thank you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box.